In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to install a seal kit in the Dixon E-Series quick coupling. The tools that you will need are a vise and an O-ring pick. While making sure to protect the hex surface from damage, clamp the threaded end into the vise grip with the coupler seal opening facing towards you. Now you can remove the existing seal with the O-ring pick. Before installing the new components, ensure that the replacement internals are the same size as the ones being removed. To install the seal, push on the seal into the coupler groove at any position, then move 180 degrees opposite and push into the groove at this point. Next, push all remaining parts of the seal into the groove. Inspect the coupler to ensure proper installation of the parts. Discard the old seal. Then test the coupler's connection to the plug. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, contact us at dixonvalve.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.